Are you or the team that you manage spending a part or most of the workday using SOLIDWORKS? Do you feel frustrated that tedious tasks, such as preparing technical documentation for printing, generating custom properties, and assigning barcodes, are occupying your scarce and costly engineering resources? Xpediter is a SOLIDWORKS certified productivity software tool, which automates repetitive tasks in a user-friendly way. This time-lapse demonstration shows batch print automation versus manual operation. Through a very intuitive and user-friendly interface, a user can set up the batch print feature and let it complete the task automatically, without the need for human involvement. This feature yields error-free results promptly. Here is a metrics summary when using Xpediter's batch print feature from this real-life example of 14 SOLIDWORKS drawings. And these are some of the key benefits when using Xpediter. Xpediter can help you increase efficiency, save money, and it is available at a low-cost monthly subscription without contractual commitment. Please visit our website to review all standard features and consider custom automation features. Download today at cadxpediters.com.